Habang nasa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, 5 things na hindi ko makalimutan. Yung shower call kasi 5 minutes lang, tas matagal talaga ako maligo in real life. Hi ATM! This is AZ Martinez, ang Miss Sinuring Daughter ng Cebu, and I'm going to take 5. Donut, ice cream, puro pagkain, pasta, movies, and music. Oh, palitan ko yung pasta. Aso ko. New project, new show, new endorsement, and matapos yung natitirang semesters ko sa school, and to travel with my family. Oh my God, okay. Power bank, kahit hindi laging ginagamit minsan. What? Salamin, eyeglasses ko. Then, cap, lagi ako may cap. Ano pa ba? Maraming lipstick at lip tint and blush. Yes. Dream roles. Anything action. Gusto ko din mag-rom-com. Gusto ko, ano pa ba? Horror, yes, actually. Oo, mga thriller like that. And one more. Gusto ko mag-try mag-drama. Yes, drama. Habang nasa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, 5 things na hindi ko makalimutan. Yung shower call kasi 5 minutes lang, tas matagal talaga ako maligo in real life. Yung value of friendship and pamilya. Yung pagkakain ng magsama-sama at yung hindi kami nade-distract sa mga noise outside, sa noise of phone, puro usapan lang at yung mga lessons na natututunan namin everyday. Thank you so much, ATM. Again, this is AZ, and I hope to see you all sa PBB Ko Love concert this August 10 sa Araneta Coliseum. And of course, don't forget to follow me on my socials, _AZ Martinez on IG, and AZ Martinez _ on TikTok. Thank you.